Good morning, students. Today we are going to take one more problem on diminishing balance method, which is also known as reducing balance method or written down value method. Why? Because the depreciation that is calculated, it is calculated on the written down value. Okay, it is not calculated on the original value, but it is calculated on the written down value. And written down value how we get? After deducting the depreciation for the previous year. Okay. So here's the problem. Mrs. Janki Traders Ratnagiri acquired a building on 1st April 2015 for rupees 12 lakhs. Okay, so ये यहाँ पे जो जानकी ट्रेडर्स है ऑफ रत्नागिरी, what they have done, they have acquired a building, मतलब they have purchased a building on 1st April 2015 for rupees 12 lakhs. On 1st April 2016, मतलब this is for the next year, the extension was made. Okay, मतलब it was extended about the building by spending rupees 8 lakh. So again 8 lakh was spent for what? For the extension of the building. So this was for what? Now here you can see for the first year, that is 2015, it was only 12 lakh, but it was next year that in 2016 the extension was made for rupees 8 lakh. On 1st October 2016, okay, so on 1st October 2016, what they have done, they have sold half part of the building through broker. Okay, so यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या किया, they have sold, मतलब पूरा जो building है उसका half part, what they have done, they have sold the building through broker or who, the agent who sell the building, for rupees 9,50,000. Okay, so brokerage paid at 3% on selling price. Okay, so the brokerage amount that was spent, okay, it was only 3% on selling price. So on 1st March every year they charge depreciation at 10% under diminishing balance method. So it is what? It is 10% under diminishing balance method. Prepare building account, depreciation account for first 3 years, that is 2015-16, 16-17 and 17-18. Okay, so here first thing what we will do, we will take up machinery, the building which is purchased, that is the first one. Okay, it was purchased on 1st April 2015. So let's calculate the depreciation amount and we'll see whether there is a profit or loss on sale of half building. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या किया, they have sold half building. Okay, out of the total building what they have done, they have sold a half building. So building purchase on 1st April 2015 कितने का है, 12 lakh. Okay, so here the machinery is of 12 lakh. So in the year 2015 to 16 there is no changes, मतलब वहाँ पे एक्सटेंशन नहीं है, सोल्ड किया हुआ है, कुछ भी नहीं. सो वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट डेप्रिसिएशन. सो डेप्रिसिएशन एज व्हाट परसेंट? इट इज एट 10%. सो डेप्रिसिएशन कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे हम लोग? 12 लाख multiply by 10 upon 100. We'll take full because here the machinery is purchased on 1st April, मतलब ये start of the year. So the amount of depreciation is 1,20,000. So less depreciation 1,20,000. So written down value कितना है? 10,80,000. This is the written down value. Then again there was a extension of the building which was made on 1st April 2016. It was for how much? 8 lakh. So here extension of the building on 1st April 2016 कितना है? 8 lakh. So total कितना हुआ? 18,80,000. That is 10,80,000 plus 8 lakh will give you 18,80,000. Okay, now here on 1st of October, okay, on 1st of October 2016 they sold half part of the building through broker for rupees 9,50,000. So it is before the year end उन्होंने क्या किया, they have sold a building. So we have to do what? We have to divide this the value of the machinery, that is 18,80,000 into two parts, that is sold and unsold. So when we divide 18,80,000, what we get? 9,40,000, 9,40,000. Now we have to find out whether the half part of the building which is sold, whether we are earning a profit or whether we are in a loss. Okay, so building का जो half part which was on 1st April 2016, ये कौन से दिन का है? It is on 1st April 2016. How much it is? It is 9,40,000. 9,40,000. On this we have to calculate depreciation. Now depreciation will be till 1st of October. So let's calculate 9,40,000 multiply by 10 upon 100 multiply by months which is used. That is April, May, June, July, August, September. Okay, October won't come because it is on 1st of October. So October महीना नहीं आएगा. So till September it is 6 months. So 2 divided by 94,000. It will be 4,7,000. So 47,000 is the depreciation value for the year of the machinery which is sold, half machinery which is sold on 1st October 2016. So 47,000. So हमारा written down value कितना हो गया? It is 9,40,000 less 7,000 will give 8,93,000. So less selling price. हम लोगों ने sold कितने भी किया? It was sold for how much? Here it is 9,50,000. But on this 9,50,000 हम लोगों को क्या करना है? We have to calculate the brokerage value, because the person who is selling, he is selling with the brokerage amount. Okay, तो brokerage हमें calculate करना है. So 9,50,000 we have to deduct the brokerage amount, 90 upon 100. So 0,050. So 28,500 जो है, that is what? That is the brokerage amount that is calculated. So from this 95,000 हम लोगों को क्या करना है? 9,50,000 से we have to deduct 28,500. So हमें कितना मिलेगा? 9,21,500. Okay, so this 9,21,500 हम लोग क्या करेंगे? The selling price is what? 9,21,500. So when we deduct 8,93,000, that is the written down value, but we have sold for how much? 9,21,500. That means we have made a profit of how much? 28,500. और जो remaining part है, okay, उसका हमें क्या करना है? Depreciation calculate करना है. So what is the amount of depreciation calculated? 10%. Okay, so remaining part कितना है? 9,40,000. The amount which is remaining, okay, जो remaining amount है कितना है? 9,40,000. So 9,40,000, on that we have to calculate 10% depreciation, will give us 94,000. So written down value कितना है? 9,40,000 minus 8,46,000. So that is the written down value. So again, because here we have हम लोगों को कितने तक करना है? 2017-18. So next year का depreciation भी हमें calculate करना है, but we will calculate on the written down value. On the written down value, that is 9,40,000 less 90,000 will give us 8,46,000, and on this 8,46,000 what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to calculate depreciation, that is at 10% पूरे year का. So it will give us 84,600. So remaining the written down value on 1st April 2018 will be 7,61,400. ये हो गया हमारा वर्किंग नोट. फर्स्ट thing we are supposed to do is the working note. Next we are going to do the problem. So let's start with the problem. In the books of Messrs. Janki Traders Ratnagiri, building account, debit, credit, date particulars JF, amount rupees, date particulars JF, amount rupees. First thing is the machinery when it is purchased, not machinery, the building when it is purchased, okay, or any asset that is purchased, the first entry is what? Asset account to bank account. So here it is building account, so building account to bank account, that is on 1st April 2015. To bank account 12 lakhs, okay. So for the first year we don't have anything, so directly the depreciation, that is 2016 31st March, by depreciation account 1,20,000. So the balance कितना है हमारा? 10,80,000 is the balance, because your debit side is higher than the credit side. Debit side में कितना है? 12 lakh है, credit side में सिर्फ 1,20,000 है. So the difference will come on the credit side. So March 31st by balance carried down 10,80,000. So total on both the side is 12 lakh. Again the balance which is carried down will be brought down for the next year. So 2016 April 1 to balance brought down 10,80,000. Okay, now we remember that the extension was made for the next year, so it was spending how much? 8 lakh. So to April 1 to bank account 8 lakh. Okay, so here on the first machinery, here we have to calculate the depreciation, because on 1st October 2016 half building was sold. Okay, so we'll calculate the depreciation of the machinery which is sold. Okay, so by depreciation account, that is 47,000 is the depreciation that was calculated. Okay, and the machinery was sold for how much? 9,21,500. On that we have earned a profit of how much? 28,500. So on October 1 to profit on sale of building 28,500. So ये हो गया हमारा मशीनरी विच वॉज सोल्ड. अगेन द मशीनरी विच इज रिमेनिंग इन द बिजनेस, ओके, उसका डेप्रिसिएशन दैट इज 31st March 2017, okay, at the year end by depreciation account 94,000. here the end में जो कैलकुलेट किया वो. So here the balance on that day is how much? 8,46,000. So here the total on both the side is how much? 19,08,500, 19,08,500. Now the balance which is carried down will be brought down for the next year, because we have to calculate till 2017-18. So 2017 April 1 to balance brought down 8,46,000. 2018 the depreciation of the remaining machinery. Okay, so 31st March 2018 by depreciation account 84,600. Now this is the total of both the side. On debit side you will have 8,46,000. On credit side you have only 84,600. So there is a balance, that is March 31st by balance carried down 7,61,400. So total on the both the side is how much? 8,46,000, 8,46,000. So this balance will be brought down for the next year, that is 2018 April 1 to balance brought down 7,61,400. So this is how you are supposed to do the problem. So first thing, before you read the problem, first what you are supposed to do, you have to make arrangement that on the first page there is a working note. So first thing, read the problem, start doing the working note. Then the second is the asset account, and the third one is the depreciation account. So let's see how the depreciation account is prepared. ये हो गया हमारा बिल्डिंग अकाउंट, दैट इज द एसेट अकाउंट. सो फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या है हमारा? वर्किंग नोट. building account, depreciation account. So here depreciation account is what? Particular date, particular JF, amount rupees, date, particular JF, amount rupees, debit side, credit side. Okay, first thing is the depreciation on the machinery when it was purchased, that is 2016 March 31 to building account 1,20,000. This is transferred to the profit and loss account. So 2016 March 31 by profit and loss account 1,20,000. Okay, 1,20,000, 1,20,000. Next is for the year 2016 October 1. Okay, दिस इज़ व्हेन द मशीनरी इज हम लोगों ने सोल्ड किया था. दैट टाइम द डेप्रिसिएशन वाज हमारे टू बिल्डिंग अकाउंट 47,000 to building account 94,000. So total of both, that is 47,000 plus 94,000, will give us 1,41,000. So 2017 March 31 by profit and loss account 1,41,000. Now the remaining machinery which was that is the remaining unsold building, non machinery building, it is 84,600. So 2018 March 31 to building account 84,600, and at the year end we have to transfer it to the profit and loss account. So 2018 March 31 by profit and loss account 84,600. Total on both the side 84,600, 84,600. So this is how you are supposed to prepare a depreciation account. So with this we complete the depreciation chapter. In the next chapter we will start with the final accounts of the proprietary concern.